Hello and welcome to TablePress app. In this video, we will see how to copy the shortcode. So, after creating table, the next step is to copy the shortcode. There are two ways of doing this. Let's see the first one. In the all table list, go to the action column, click on the copy shortcode option. By doing this, the shortcode for the table will get copied. So this is the easiest way of doing the copy shortcode. Let's see the second option. Click on the edit icon. Inside the edit table, click on the display rule tab. You will find the copy shortcode section. There, click on the copy shortcode icon. By doing this, the shortcode for the table will get copied. So that's it in this video. In the next video, we will see how to paste the shortcode. Thank you.